Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a 24 by 48 inch acrylic on canvas called Molten Lava. And this is actually an older painting that I did that's currently hanging above my bed, and I don't plan on it moving, maybe ever. So I realized I hadn't posted this video. So it's about a year old, and I did not get the layering of the cups on film. So I will just kind of describe to you the colors I have. That I'm just doing a traveling straight pour. So I'm not doing a ring. I'm not really moving or swirling or twisting the paint. I'm just kind of doing a nice straight pour and letting the paints do what they want to do. So the colors, it's a copper. There's a lot of copper in this painting, and it was folk art antique copper mixed with Dick Blick copper. And there's Payne's Gray in there by Arteza. The light color is a Champagne by Deco Art Americana. And I mixed in some white satin enamel into that paint and put that mostly kind of at the bottom of the cup. And then there's a 24 karat gold by Deco Art and some kind of gunmetal gray that I put around the outside as a flow layer. And that just kind of helps the paint to move across the canvas smoothly. It doesn't kind of roll over on top of itself if you have a layer of paint. And some people put a whole base coat on the entire canvas, but you know, just for the sake of not kind of using as much paint, this is generally how I do it. And I'm just gonna tilt and tweak, and I'll show you some dried results and some staged photos at the end. I just wanted to get something up because I haven't really been painting this last week. I've been sort of holding off, and I've got some really fun things planned. So collaboration, and I am going to do, I know I've been talking about it in my last few videos, but I'm going to do a small giveaway with my next kind of big collaboration video. It's not so much a collaboration, it's just more of a mentorship kind of inspiration type partnership that I've been working with somebody on. And this is, you know, this painting's really close to my heart. There was just something about it that was very like kind of electric, but also kind of muted. And I hope you like it. And subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, it's free and you can just see what's coming. And I've got more art to share. So I hope you're enjoying, and wherever you are, have a beautiful day and take great care. And we will see you and talk to you very soon. Bye.